Hey guys, what is up? So Clara and I are on our way up a hill near Tin Shui Wai. So we're gonna go up this hill and try to get some footage up top. Clara always says I have weak legs, that I can't handle hiking.
Actually, not me.
But now
Himself.
she's the one who's suffering. I'm doing just fine.
He's always saying that. I said his legs are weak.
Yes, but you did say my legs are weak.
I didn't.
You did. So we just got to the top of the hill. Yeah, and we're done. My legs are really like
Weak.
no, not weak. Her legs are weak. My legs are totally fine. Yeah. So there you go. That's her. So let's start. Let's shoot some footage.